security na. And kanina nga, you know, we're flying with JAL. And this flight, medyo nag-bid ako for upgrade kasi syempre may flight na binigay. Pero you can also bid for upgrade naman for JAL. So medyo, I treated myself for this one. And papakita ko sa inyo yung process. And then, paano ko nalaman na parang mananalo ako with the lowest bid. So, that's why I said, okay, go push natin yan. And then, by the way, eto na, babalik ulit tayo sa Sakura Lounge ni JAL, which is beside Little Flowers, sa gate 9 in front. Eto siya. See, I lie. Maliit yung lounge nila, pero not bad. Like, it's okay. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Pakita ko sa inyo yun in a bit. I'll show you the food. Ito talaga yung favorite ko dyan. Yung beef curry. Bago to. I wanna try this. This is new. Dati wala to. And then may empanada. Scone. Bago yan. And then may coffee tayo. And then ito yung seats mo, guys. Nag-itsura mo. So everything's here. And I got this seat here. Ito talaga yung akong seat. Guys, ever famous JAL curry. Then I'll try the empanada. Then I have coffee. Ang sweet pa ni ate. Nagpanood nito ako. Like yesterday. Ang cute. It's so sweet. Okay, let's try. Sarap. Pero ito talaga. Parang feeling mo hindi ka pa nasa Japan. Pero nag-start na yung trip mo because you have JAL curry, beef curry. Japanese rice. May beef pa na sila. I'll show you. So we're going with this trip. And then medyo mag-Hiroshima kami. Tapos may Osaka. So medyo exciting kasi new places. Before I go on the trip, thank you guys for the support. Kasi syempre without you, hindi naman tayo makakapunta. Like, hindi naman invite ni Club, diba, for this. And there's like 100 plus creators. So medyo malaki talaga siya. And a big thing. So yun, maraming salamat. Finish. And of course, we'll ride. And I'll show you the plane later. Boarding soon. So guys, we're going to Tokyo, tapos Hiroshima, then Osaka tayo. So medyo matagal ang trip. But it will be with 120 creators. Medyo marami yan. So parang medyo excited ako. Pero syempre the introverted self ko is medyo kinakabahan. But wala. We have to be uncomfortable sometimes. Pero excited din ako talaga for this. And very thankful. So yun, I'll see you guys in the plane. Oh my gosh guys, iba talaga service nila pag JAL. Like si ate na nag-call ng mga passengers, as in, ang fluent niya sa Japanese. Like, ang galing! Hello! We're flying soon. And ito pa rin yung same aircraft that we did back then. Pero parang sa front cabin ako, near the door. Okay, I'll show you all the seats. Sky Suite 7 pa rin to. So you have your TV, and then you have your headphones. Then you have your zippers and the blanket, which I don't usually use kasi hindi ko siya masyadong, ayoko nagtatanggal ng shoes kasi. And all your, tama, 787 Dreamliner. So tama tayo dyan. And then this is it, Sky Suite. Diba? 787. So this is not the newest. Pero, I mean, maganda pa rin yung product na yan. See? I think guys, napanood yun naman yung vlog ko with you. Guys, lahat tayo may bottled water. And then ito yung remote mo. And then this one can go up later. I'll show it to you. And you have your plugs here. And then your USB cord. And the seat. And it lays flat. And my pillows. Dreamliner, diba guys? If you want to darken, umiitim lang siya. Hindi siya nagba-black talaga. Nagets mo. And then kung gusto mo i-bright, pindutin mo lang to. And then magba-bright siya. Nakita nyo? Ganun siya. So you know it's a Dreamliner. Yun, cute diba? And we're near the wings. Hello, pal! And then, ito yung menu natin, guys. So, we have champagne, white wine, red wine, Japanese wine. Oh, pwede natin itry yan. Japanese. May sake. And then, sky time. Nalala ko, yun yung in-order ko. Tamis yan. Medyo matamis nga lang yan, guys. Okay, now let's see. Food natin. Dito tayo sa English. Washoku. Or we'll get the international. Let's see. Beef fillet or a Tuscan chicken. Beef fillet or baked. Or we can... Ay, hamburger steak. Dito tayo. OMG, gusto ko to. Yan ang gusto ko. And then they go around giving you earplugs, pati eye mask na rin. Ang cute! Ang bilis, push back na kami. Guys, tapos yung seat remotes mo nandito. And then earplugs. Guys, this is still one of my favorite in flight safety. Kasi 'di ba, ang simple niya, pero lahat nakikita mo. Oh, if hindi ka mag-seatbelt, ano mangyayari? Ganito. Yun na yung gusto ko sabihin dyan. Ito yung mga safety video. Cute to. Love it now, Reyes. So now yung privacy siya. Siyempre, hindi ko rin naman makita yung katabi kasi, di ba? I'm videotaping kasi guys. So, respeto na rin. And para hindi rin mahirapan mag-curve, syempre we have to respect all the passengers. This is by far my favorite toilet talaga. Okay, what will I share? Tissues, hand soap, your cups, toothbrush for you to use, and oh my gosh, mouthwash. I super love this mouthwash. Then, guys, you have your diaper change station here, clothes rack, lock, and also handlebar just in case of sudden turbulence. Then you have your mirror, but most especially, guys, there is a bidet. May bidet ang toilet nila dito. Yes. Lahat talaga naisip mo. Even, ayoko pakita, baka makita niyo pores ko. Pero ito, oh, di ba? Pak, zoom na zoom. So guys, sobrang hindi puno yung flight na to. Like, yung flight hindi puno. Like, yung gitna, lahat bakante pa. So yun lang. TV is quite far, guys. So we can look at the entertainment. We can select lahat from your remote. And then you have movies. Ayan, all programs. Makita mo dito. If you wanna watch a movie, you can play diretso. And then you can play siya sa screen. And we got our towel. Ang bango. Ito yung gusto ko, mabango. Guys, so may wifi siya. Just click on Japan Airlines. Just search. Usually 192 yan. 168.1.1. Ayan, Japan Airlines Wi-Fi. English. Connectivity. Connect. May free 1-hour plan for everyone. O, diba? Continue as guest. And then type your email lang dyan. Pak. Oh, diba? Love it. Siyempre guys, naka-blur yan. Hindi ko papakita sa inyo email ko. Bawal. Okay. Now, ano pang meron sa TV? You have entertainment. You have news as well. BBC. Rap. O, tas news na yan. O, diba? May mga kids. May games. O, gusto yung maglaro. Ayun. Tas ito yung magiging remote nyo, guys. Okay. Kung ayaw mo yan, may Angry Bird. Diba? Ang dami pa. May e-books also. O, if wala kang dalang e-book mo, guys, pwede ka magdala ng book mo. Ayan. Pero konti lang yung mga books sa loob. Ayan. Japanese mostly. Typical flight map, which is my favorite. Yung mapa. Yan. Pwede mo tingnan other angles. Pwede kang cockpit view. O, di ba yung mga ganyan? So far, guys, what I can say say is like, Jal, sobrang ayos talaga. Like, very consistent, very polite, even sa front desk, even yung check-in counter, parang talagang lahat sila there ready to help. Any passenger they'll help, anyone. Kaya parang iba talaga. As in, service when it comes to Jal, I'm gonna tell you, galing. Galing talaga siya. And all the little touches here. The seat might be not as big kasi tiyan mo yan, sana hindi malaglag. O, diba? Baka, it's not as wide as, let's say, the other airlines, pero straight ka talaga dito. Like, hindi nakatabingi yung paa mo, diba? When you lie flat, it's really lie flat. I'll show you, O, diba? Flat kung flat, diba? O, diba? This is what I'm saying. Guys, diba? Talagang straight. Guys, tapos may massage siya dito. Ito, massage yan. And I'm loving the massage. Ang ganda niya. Because it's like pulsing sa likod mo, sa lower back. Pangtanggal ng stress yan. So guys, meal time na. Prepare na ating table. There you go. Prepare na yung ating placemat. So, ito na siya. Little touches of Jal. Diba? Headphones po nila guys. Tingnan mo noise cancelling na Sony. Of course, my favorite crackers nila. And then the Japanese wine. I wanna try it. Good. Tapos guys, perfectly chilled. Ay, sarap. Galing talaga. We got the Japanese lunch. So this is fish and this is hamburg and then look, chopsticks and all of their side dishes. And ito rice nila to. And of course, soup. Ayan na guys. So, I'll show you. Ay, medyo turbulent. I think one thing that I always do on my vlog also is tell you how I got this. So the plane is actually paid by Klook. So we're attending Creatorverse. So the plane ticket na economy class was paid by Klook. I actually bid for upgrade and I bid for upgrade on the Japan Airlines website. For binid ko yung parang lowest bid which is $299 lang. Maybe I'll put some pictures here. Bakit ko $299? So when I was trying to bid for the upgrade, tinignan ko muna. So parang nagmamakbook ako. Titingnan ko kung punuan yung airplane. Kasi kung punuan siya, alam kong medyo mahirapan ako manalo. And for me, $299 was the lowest bid. Medyo acceptable na siya for me. Mahal, pero acceptable naman in a sense because it's like $100 per hour of flying. So yung $100 na yan, roughly, okay sa akin yun eh. Parang, if you're going to estimate it, parang reasonable ang $100, especially kung maganda talaga yung airlines mo. So sabi ko, okay, mag-upgrade na lang ako. They don't give business class seats, and then ako naman sabi ko, meron akong binudget. I wanted to try it again. I am happy with Japan Airlines. So talaga nagbid ako personal on my personal expense. So yun yung gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo. And then a day before, nakita ko na nag-email na si Jal. And not only that, nakita ko na parang na-charge yung credit card ko. So parang sa ko, okay, nanalo tayo ng bid na to. So thankful rin naman ako. Thankful rin ako with everything. Thankful rin ako with Klook for, for giving me the opportunity to travel as well and share this with you guys. So without further ado, thank you so much and let's start eating. First things first, the soup. And we can try the vegetables. And then you have this parang meatball type of soup. Sarap ito. Then you have vegetables here. Itong vegetables, I feel, you dip it dito sa sauce na to, guys. And then last but not least, guys, may fish dito. The fish is also good, pero mas gusto ko tong parang hamburg steak. Ito masarap to. All of these side dishes ang sasarap. Especially mga pickles na ganito. I love it. pudding, coffee, and of course, meron ka rin yung towel mo. Cute, diba? Sarap. Let's try the dessert. Ay, gulaman. Pudding. Not bad. Very healthy. Not bad. I cross immigration, may QR ako dito. So I always recommend to do the Visit Japan na wag na kayong kasi may ibang tao, 'di ba, parang gusto nila may paper. Huwag na kayong mag-paper, sayang pa yung paper. So please, as much as possible, paperless tayo. Kung pwede lang naman. Pero kung nakalimutan nyo naman, may paper naman dyan. But if possible, online, digital, scan lang nila, mas madali. Nakakatawa, tinanong nila, bakit daw yung passport ko punong-punong post-it? Sabi ko, binablock ko lang siya kasi sayang sa papel. Char, yun sabi ko, baka kasi snap ng mga tao noon. Anyways, I'm gonna ride the car, or the train to go to the city. And then, nandiyan yung bag ko. The green one. I got the green one.